Today we're looking at the 2013 Ram 1500 crew cab, and this is a Laramie model. It is equipped with the leather interior, high intensity headlamps. We've got fog lights and the bright chrome grille and the bright bumper. This is a 4x4 vehicle equipped with the 20-inch wheels and the chrome running boards from Mopar. Once again, a 5.7 Hemi engine in the crew cab mount model. It is equipped with the trailer tow mirrors. Walk around the side here, take a little better look. 2013 Dodge Ram does come with a 5.7 foot bed. This is equipped with the dual exhaust, hookups for a 7 and 4 pin for your trailer tow hitch, as well as the receiver already on, class 4 receiver. Has a rear backup camera and a locking tailgate. Take a look on the inside now of the 2013 Dodge Ram. This Ram is equipped with the leather interior. We have a power driver's seat, memory seats for 2 passengers, as well as lumbar control. It is equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlamps. This has got the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio that also is equipped with the rear backup camera. The steering wheel design gives you all your information center buttons as well as your cruise control now on the steering wheel. Leather stitched interior with the Alpine sound system. Dual console. Rear power sliding window. Crew cab gives plenty of rear passenger space. Got storage areas underneath the back seat. And each side has a storage bin located under the floor mats. Removable bin that you can store things in. Take a better look at the dash. All your controls are within easy reach of the passenger. Once again, the 8.4 touchscreen radio. Just taking a look around the interior. 60-40 split bench seat in the back that does fold up. And once again, it is equipped with a 5.7 Hemi V8 engine. This truck is here at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. Got a great selection of trucks. Manufacturer's rebates are in effect on all of my trucks, savings up to about $6,000. If we don't have it, we'll get the one that you need.